Hello everyone, Dr. Chef Yarnell here, and I'm a financial literacy coach. Now I've taken some time to create videos designed to enhance your learning and understanding of financial concepts. So do me a favor, take some time, watch the videos, and most of all, enjoy them. Now if you find these videos helpful and they bring value to your journey, by all means, I would love to hear from you, so please provide feedback. Until then, let's grow together. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Dr. Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Hey, I want to show you all how to place a pending order using your TopstepX account, okay? So let me share my screen so that you can see how to do this. Okay, it's really simple, guys. All you're going to do, you're going to make sure you're on the right currency, right? You're going to go down to stop market. So let's say I want to get in a sale at 3324.9. I'm going to put 3324.9. I want to use 5 contracts and I'm selling. I just click the sell button and there it's on. Now, because I already have a take profit and a stop loss set, it's going to automatically update once that trade activates. Boom. So now that trade is active, right? Then you can see that I already have a stop loss and a take profit set. So at any given time, I can move my take profit up or down, and I can move my stop loss up or down, right? Either way, this is how you do a pending order. And let me show you one other thing. You can move your pending order. So I'm going to close this and take a lesson. I'm gonna do another one, stop market, and I'm gonna do this one at 3324.6. okay, and sale. Okay, so I wanted to do this so I can show you that you can move your pending order just like that. You can even move your pending order above. Oh wait, no, you can't, because it's a sale. That's right, it's a sale. But you can move your pending order. If it's a sale, of course, you can move it below the mark. If it's a buy, you can move it above the mark, okay? And that will allow you to enter the trade where you feel that the trade is going to give you the most value. I hope this helps, and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. If this does help you, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and make some comments. I love your feedback. Bye for now.